Well, here I am again at the Marriott Grande Vista. Actually, I'm really not here. I found this footage in my phone and I never made a YouTube video for it, so I'm super excited. I was like, wow, I forgot I made this. This was a huge storm we were having over here. I was in building 78 on the top floor. It was excellent view. Anyway, I'm not going to do too much talking in this video. This is video mostly was of me being in the pools, shooting up. Usually in the past, and if you know my videos, I always shoot like looking in the pools, like most people, but this was me being in the videos, shooting upward. And I also caught the SeaWorld fireworks, and I just want to leave it raw so you could hear what it sounds like, what kind of music they play. You could hear the sound of the waterfalls. It's a really awesome place. Definitely one of my favorites to stay in Orlando. And as those of you who know me know I'm here a lot. And if you don't know me, please subscribe to my channel. If you're planning on going to Orlando, I have a lot of great information for you. Okay, now I'm going to be quiet now and enjoy the sounds of Marriott Grande Vista. Thank you so much for watching. I really enjoy making these videos, and meeting like-minded people that love Marriott's is just as much as I do. I am at Marriott's more than I'm home and other timeshare properties. It's a great way to live. Anyway, if you enjoy this, please subscribe to my channel. It would help out greatly. And like this video and comment if you have any questions. I'd be happy to talk to you. I love making new friends. And if you really think you want to stay at the Marriott Grande Vista, I would highly recommend it. Do it immediately. It's awesome. Even with the 2020 pandemic, everything was really great. I really felt so safe there. There's really no better place to be. Be sure to check out my other videos that I'm going to link here. I have a ton of different ones of all the different units, from the efficiencies up all the way to the 3 bedrooms. They're all awesome. Thank you again for watching Traveling with Jennifer Sparks Savoy. Have a magical day and safe travels to you.